We apparently have absolutely the worst luck. We are to be down at our cruise on January the 11th. On January 1st, Bruce lost the cap on a tooth. Fortunately, he was able to get an appointment on January 2nd, and the doctor said, well, under normal circumstances, I could fix this tooth and put a new cap on, but we don't have time. So you make the decision. Do you want to have the tooth pulled, or do you want to cancel your trip and get a cap? And what do you think Bruce said? He wants to go on his trip, pull the tooth. So that is what they did. Then he had to have another appointment on January 6th to have a filling put in, and we were leaving for the trip on January 7th to get down to the terminal for the cruise. Please take a second to comment, subscribe, ring the bell to get notices of new videos, and please give a thumbs up.